Hey, mommy, let's talk about you. So, when you newly have your baby, everyone is telling you how to care for your baby, how to make sure your baby is fine, but very few people tell you how to care for yourself and to ensure that you yourself are fine and doing well as you recover from bringing forth a new life. So, now here are some tips on how to care for yourself, whether you did the vaginal birth or a cesarean section. First, you want to ensure to rest as much as possible. You need to rest, accept help. Don't try to be, you know, I can do it all, because truly your body will demand the rest when you don't want it and you would not want to do that. So please ensure to rest. Give yourself enough room to rest. Let people help you with basic chores and every other thing that needs to be done. Then also don't be in a hurry to bounce back. That postpartum glow and everything you want would come. Your body would heal up when necessary. So you don't need to put yourself in a rush to heal up and all of that. Now, another thing you need to pay attention to is your nutrition and hydration. Please try to eat well. You need to eat well to be able to lactate well. You need to eat well to be able to care for your baby. So ensure to eat well, drink enough water. Now, you know that water is very important. You want your because your body is producing milk and you need to stay well hydrated. Now you also need to eat food that is rich in balanced diet, protein, everything, carbohydrates, vitamins, and all of that. Eat fruits. Take everything that your body needs to recuperate. Also, don't joke with your postpartum drugs. Those drugs they will give you at the hospital, they are for your own good. You need to use them so that your body would heal up on time and even your mind will be rested. Now, we know that there's something called the lochia, the bleeding that comes after childbirth. Don't stay in isolation. Don't do things on your own. Try to talk to people and get help when necessary. And that thing is your perineal care. For those that had, vaginal birth, you want to take care of that area. Ensure to clean it regularly. Get a bidet. It helps to wash that area very well. So, you just put your warm water, very warm water, and use it to rinse off after using the toilet or whatever. Now, if you want to do the sitz bath, you should be very careful about that. You don't want to use very hot water. You can't just use lukewarm water if you want to do the sitz bath, if you are advised to. Water that you can put your hand inside and it will not burn. That's the best thing to do. So just use your warm water and you'll be fine. But your hygiene at that moment is very, very important. Now, if it's CS, you need to take care of that incision. Clean it regularly, avoid heavy lifting. Don't try to be a macho woman. Don't try to do things, monitor it for, any discharge or anything, if there's pause or bleeding or whatever. Take care of it very well. And also, if you're in any pain whatsoever, please seek help. Talk to your medical practitioner. Then your breast, that's where your baby's major food is coming from. Either you're doing mixed, that's complementary feeding, or exclusive. You need to care for your breast. You can use towel, warm water in a towel to massage it. For when it feels engorged or anything. If there's any pain, you can try to use the warm water to, you know, put put a towel in warm water and just use it to massage it. It helps to relieve any pain or engorgement. And you might want to pump regularly as well. Then ensure that your baby latches onto your nipple, your areola very well. You can watch videos on this, it will also help you. Now, your mental health at this period is very, very important. You don't want to joke with your mental health. You want to rest, you want to talk to friends, you want to, maybe watch a movie, relax, just do whatever will suit you at that point, because a healthy mom is able to take care of her baby. So you need to make sure that you take care of yourself. If you notice that there are mood swings, it's normal. You can have people around you and feel alone. It's normal. So don't overwork yourself. Don't, whatever it is you're going through, just know that it's a phase and it will pass. But if you notice that there's something, anything, please talk to somebody about it. Talk to your partner, your mom, your in-laws, or whatever. Make sure to check your BP regularly, because you need to check your BP. You need to know that your BP is, fine, especially if you have preeclampsia. You want to monitor your BP even after childbirth. So it's very important. Check for anything that could be concerning. Pay attention to yourself, and you are going to be very fine. So, mommy, just know that it's not just about your baby alone. You need to care for yourself too and ensure that you're doing well. A healthy mom would raise a healthy baby. All right? Okay, then. So, do well to share this video, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.